The Farah Strike, 1972-1974, was a labor strike by the employees of Farah Manufacturing Company, a clothing company in El Paso, Texas and New Mexico. The strike started at the Farah plant in San Antonio in 1972 when the Hispanic women, called Chicanas, at the company, demanded a labor union formation to fight for better working conditions. The two-year-long strike included 4,000 individuals, of which the majority were women.William. Farah was the CEO of the company. The company's workforce consisted of mostly Mexican women. In 1967, the company went public and employed around 7,000 people. In 1972, it had expanded globally, employing 9,500 people, making it the second largest employer in Texas. The company expected high production rates from its employees despite low wages and poor working conditions. This led to the beginning of the strike. Workers supporting the strike were penalized and risked their jobs. Amalgamated Clothing Workers of America, ACWA, was the mediator of the strike, and within a month after the strike begun, they launched a national boycott of the products of Farah Manufacturing Company.The strike was culminated in 1974 in the favor of the women workers. The women employees benefited from the strike as some women were then actively involved in political organizations fighting for women's rights and fair and safe labor environments. References